You are now watching an RK Loves Gadgets video. Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be taking a look at this monkey, this like stuffed toy monkey, and basically what he does, he laughs and moves, but the problem is you just press its hand but it doesn't work properly. I think the batteries need changing. So what I'm going to do in this video is to show you how to replace the batteries in the monkey. So I've got some screwdrivers here. Let me just set them up. Need a Phillips one, certain size. There we go. And I have three AAA AA batteries which go in the back here. And so basically, put them down for a minute. Basically you just unscrew the back. It's pretty simple to do. You just unscrew the screw on the back of the battery cover on the bottom of the monkey toy, and then there we go, that's the cover. There's what the cover looks like. And then in here there's three AA's, and then we're going to take the AA's out. Okay, so those are our spent batteries, and then we've got some new batteries. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put these new batteries in, and we'll see what happens. Okay, so now the battery's in, so now I'm going to put the cover back on and secure it with the screwdriver here. Okay, and then you take this piece of Velcro and then secure that over the cover so it doesn't get lost. Now we stand him up. Let's see. If I press the hand here, it works.
Oh, well done.
It is quite funny, I must say. He kind of jumps around a little bit. He's quite funny.
It makes you laugh.
It's amazing. Well, we got him to work. That's brilliant. So that's how to repair that. We've replaced the batteries.